Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Apps Tech. Today I want to show you the best code creator app that its name is Codes Creator. That sometimes we want to write something best for our Facebook, for our Instagram, like the codes. So the background is very important, and this app that's name is Codes Creator select to us the best option to make the background more clear, more beautiful, and we can change the type of our works. So let's see that. As you see that it has the best graphic. Yeah, you can do it anything you want. So let's open it, and as you see that these are all the backgrounds of the code. So let's write a code. So select on text and write it. For example, we can say that life is 10%. Where is the percent? Yeah, here 10%. What happens to you, and 90% how you react to it. So you can see this, we can write it by me. So let's click to the OK. As you see that we can select, we can show it in different backgrounds. So the dull, the laugh, so it's more beautiful, the dirty, and jazz, and pure, and dark, and rice, and in ring. We also have another things like the ring, pass, well, pop, pretty, and lots of things there is available for us. So we can save it. So for now it's good to have this. So the background, we can add also photo gallery, and also we have the background packages. So in property we have text size, we have text alignment, we have line spacing, text space, and frame width. So in fonts we have different types of fonts. We have punch fonts, so we can also have we have different types of fonts that we can download it. So another thing is that we have the color, so we can color our text. So it is the opacity, that how much we want to change the color of it. So it's very cool, very good, very enjoyable. We have the punch color, and we have also another thing that we can select it. So another cool thing is effects, so we can affect it by blur. So as you see that it's make it very beautiful. The brightness, we can do it like that. The saturation, it's very cool, very good, very beautiful. And the hue, so as you see that it's very good. So the next thing is shadow, that we can do it the shadow, the left and right, the up down, we can blur it. We have the shadow color. So it's all set, and I recommend all of you to download the app, and it is the best app. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel and press the ring bell. And which apps do you need, please comment on it so I can make videos to you guys. Thank you.